Apple is launching a limited edition set of AirPods Pro to celebrate Chinese New Year. I don't know that they have ever done this before, Will. You tell me. Can you remember a time where they put out a special edition product with a graphic that isn't an Apple logo?
The closest thing I can think of is a red product, but it's not limited. It's just special.
Right. And it's not
its own right.
The red logo is really small and it's usually just in the fine print.
Yeah.
Or like on the back. Well, this is a step further than that. To celebrate Chinese New Year, Apple has introduced a limited edition AirPods Pro. It will be available in mainland China, Hong Kong, Singapore, Taiwan, and Malaysia. This coming New Year is the year of the ox. I don't know if you knew that, Willie Doo. I don't know if there's no correlation between the what is it called when you have the zodiac?
The zodiac signs?
What's this? Wait, what is the zodiac?
Constellations?
Is that the thing like you're born in a certain month and then there's some sort of constellation associated with that?
Yes.
Are we crazy right here? Like, obviously, you can tell I do not follow this stuff. Some people follow this stuff so much. They're like, well, you know what? I can't show up to the party. I'm a Gemini. And you're like, wait, what? What does that do?
Yeah, we don't click here.
You're like, wait, what? What does that have to do with it? Some people follow to that degree. Yeah. So for myself, I'm born in May. Trying to remember there. Yeah, beginning of May. So I'm Taurus. So I'm the bull, not the ox. Okay. I thought I might be the ox. What are you, Will?
I'm Scorpio.
You're Scorpio. Okay. Yeah. So that's a scorpion.
It's a scorpion, yeah.
That's pretty cool.
It is very cool. I really like it.
That's kind of cool. Well, anyways, so it's the year of the ox, and Apple created an adorable emoji to sit on the front of the AirPods Pro, right under the LED. Oh. It's kind of a cute looking ox, actually. Yeah. I don't know how they would decide what style of artwork. Like, I get that you want to do it, but I wonder how many revisions, how many different drawings they looked at. They're like, nope, that's the one.
Yeah.
Now, they also, by the way, they modified the Apple logo itself, which is another thing I feel like they do not do very often.
During their events, they might do stuff.
They play with it. But
the line art is very rare for them.
Yeah, that's a very strange looking Apple logo. They've made it, of course, look like an ox as well. So there's a dedicated ox icon emoji inscription, but then on the sale page, there's also this ox-like Apple logo. So they're going to sell for the regular price in those regions. It's no extra fees as well.
Oh, okay.
So it's the same price. You celebrate the new year. It's an interesting move and an unusual move from Apple.